Hello guys, welcome to another episode in Science Up video series on logarithms. This session is about changing bases of logarithm using base change formula. If you haven't checked my previous videos and if you feel to have a solid idea on these two topics, feel free to visit my previous videos. Links for the videos of these two episodes are in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, at the end of this video, you will learn how to change bases of logarithm using change base formula, and there are some workout examples to give you a comprehensive idea how to use this change base formula. This is the general expression used for converting base b to a. I am going to prove this in the exercise book, and intuitively we can deduce that log ax is equal to 1 upon log xa from this equation. Now actually, why do we need to change bases? Because we are using some standard bases. When we are working with those standard bases, we have to convert other bases into standard bases. So we need this equation. So now for your knowledge, I will show you what are the standard bases. Base 10 and the base 2.718281828 and it continues. What is this? Yeah, it is E, and the next video is completely describe this E. Okay, for now keeping this in mind is enough. Now let's do some proof, and for the practice exercises, these are the 4 workout examples I am going to show you. These will be enough for you to understand how to and where to use this base change formula. Okay, without taking any more time, let's go to the exercise book. Before going directly to the proof, I will show you what is going on with this equation. You will understand further about this equation when I take this numerical example. Let's say we need to convert log 2 to the power 64 into the base 10, as this is a standard base. So what I should do is I will divide it by log 2 to the power 10. Then the answer is log 10 to the power 64, which I needed to have. In here, a is equal to what? 10, x is 64, here also 64, and here b is 2, and here also 2, and a is 10. Now I think you are little bit clear about this concept. Okay, let's go to the proof now. Okay, for the proof, I need to convince this basic idea, which is if you take base 64, you can express it as 8 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 6. Likewise, you can change base and corresponding power and write it in many ways. Or if you change the base to 92, there will be a corresponding power that represents 64. So you don't need to worry. I will generally write x is equal to a to the power y is equal to b to the power z. Now I think you are clear with this statement. Now we have two equations, 1 and 2. X is equal to a to the power y, x is equal to b to the power z. We can write it log form. Log a to the power x is equal to y and log b to the b x is equal to z. Now we will take Z to prove this. Z is equal to log bx. You can write x as a to the power y. From the log properties, we can take this y in front of the log. Now the equation becomes y into log b to the ba. Now what is this y? Y is log a x. Log a x into log b a. What is z? Z is log b x, right? Now almost done with the proof. Log a x is equal to log b x divided by log b a. This is the proof of the change base formula. Okay, now we have to deduce the equation of log ax is equal to 1 upon log x base a. To prove this, you can see that here b has become the x in the right hand side. So we can substitute x to be the b in this proved equation. Let me write this. Then log ax is equal to log xx divided by log xa. Now what is the value of this? As I have mentioned in the first video, this will be equal to 1. So the answer is now 1 upon log xa. This will be equal to log a x. This is what need to be proved. Okay, let's continue to the exercises. This is the first exercise I am going to do, and this is to evaluate log 5 base 100 if given log 10 base 5 as 0.6989. Okay, first thing you have to notice that is you are given in base 10 and ask something in base 5. So you have to convert the base, right? Log 5 100 is equal to log 10 100 divided by log 10 5. This is given. What is the value? 0.6989. This is what you already know. What is the value? It is 2. Now the answer is 2 divided by 0.6989. I have used my calculator and the answer is 2.8616. Okay, let's move to the second question. In this question, it is asked to write this expression in one base. So, first you have to convert this to the base 2. Then you are done. Log 8x is equal to log 2x divided by log 2 8. You know the answer for this. This is 3. And if you are not familiar how to get these values of logs instantly, you can check my previous videos. Okay, now this is simplified to log 2x divided by 3, and you can write this 1 upon 3 log 2x. Now you can shift this inside the log as a power of x, and this is log 2 x to the power 1 upon 3. Okay, now the time to express the expression in base 2. Log 2x plus log 2x 1 upon 3. Now this is a summation of logs. We can write it as log 2 x into x 1 upon 3 as one logarithm. Now log 2 x 4 divided by 3. You can take 4 divided by 3 in front, and this is the answer. Okay, let's have another 2 examples. Let's continue to the next one. Here it is asked to show that 1 upon log 8 1 to 5 is equal to log 5 2. So you need to change the base. Before that, I can change this to 125 base 8. Is that okay? Then we have to change 125 base to base 5. Let's write this. Log base 5 8 divided by 5 base 1 to 5. This is equal to log 5 2 to the power 3 divided by 3. The value of this is 3 because 5 to the power 3 is 125. Okay, now we can take these 3 in front of the logarithm, and this will become log 5 2 divided by 3. 3 to 3 cancels out, and the answer is in your hand. Log 5 2 is the answer. Okay, we have showed that. Now let's move to the fourth one. Here it is asked to evaluate this expression. 1 upon log 236 plus 1 upon log 336. Before everything, we can take this upside down. Then log 36 base 2 plus log 36 base 3. I have done this because to take everything into one base. Now everything is in one base. So now you can use log property, which is summation is equal to multiplication inside the logarithm. Log 36 6. Now you can take upside down log 636. Okay, now you can evaluate this. What is this? Log 636 is 6 to the power 2. Now it is 2. So the answer is half. I think you are now very clear about the base change formula. It is very easy. Try to use it and do these exercises by yourself, and you can check with my workouts and try to find the answer for this question. Imagine there is a tank with water lilies which will double its available population each day. It has taken 13 days from beginning of 1st of January to cover half of the tank. What will be the date of tank having full of water lilies? I'll give you a hint for this. Everything will be easy if you think out of box. If you find the answer, you can comment it below. Hope you guys enjoyed my video and learned something. And my next video is what is E, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment your ideas. Thank you guys for watching my video.